When we talk about solving inequalities, a part of our solution is a number line. So when I'm solving an equation, usually you don't ever write down the number line to go with it because you do have one finite solution. So if my solution is 8, how I would graph that on a number line, I would go to 8 on a number line, I would put a circle above it or on top of it. Because 8 is the solution, to tell someone that 8 is the solution, you have to color it in. So what that means is 8 is included in the solution, only 8. I wouldn't shade any direction because if I shade, everything that is shaded is a part of the solution. So when x is less than or equal to 8, what I would do here is, again, I would put a circle above the 8, shade it in because 8 is included in the solution, but everything less than that is also part of the solution. So what I want to do is I want to shade everything 8 and below. So x is less than or equal to 8, so everything 8 and below is part of the solution. Well, what would that look like if it was just x is less than 8? So if it was just x is less than 8, again, set up your number line. So in this problem, 8 is not part of the solution. You want everything below 8. So to tell someone that 8 is not part of the solution, you always want to use an open circle. So 8 is not going to be shaded because it's not part of the solution, but everything below that is. So an open circle and then shade everything below 8. So when it's a less than or equal to, you shade in the circle because 8's part of the solution. But if it was just a less than, you want to use an open circle and everything below. I think of them as potholes, okay? And you're driving along the road, you get to this big pothole or sinkhole, you can go all the way up to that sinkhole, but the second you go over it, you're going to fall into a bottomless pit. But once they fill in that sinkhole, then you can drive over it, and that road is now included. So we're going to be looking at some examples and continue on with this process of solving inequalities, and then you're going to have some to try on your own.